My name is Nicole Ko, and I am the best unboxer alive. To the outside world, I am an ordinary Funko fanatic. But secretly, with the help of my enablers at Funko Fanatic Philippines, I defy the expectations of unboxing videos and find other creative people like me. But I don't get enough views, so I do everything in my power to bring them up. And in doing so, I accidentally set a new standard that I am the only one desperate enough to meet. I am not the Flash. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm filming in front of my pop wall because all the legit unboxers have one. Mine needs more work. Anyway, if you can't guess, today I'll be unboxing the new Flash TV Pops. You know, I'm so excited for these that the price tag's still on and like my order number's still there. I haven't peeled them off yet. And yeah, I'm really excited to unbox these. So let's do it. By the way, I have my earphones plugged in because I guess I have really bad audio and I'm attempting to make it better. So yeah, as of now, this is my solution. So let's get to the unboxing. First with the Flash running pose. So let me show you the box. It's like that. Isn't it kind of sad that the Flash is going in its 5th season and these are the only pops we have? Plus Grodd. Like, oh, and one more Jay Garrick. Like, fake Garrick. Yeah, but it's really disappointing. Okay. Next we got the plastic insert and it's really bad. Comes with this. Don't lose it. Cause like it's really thin and there's a hole in it already. There's no interlocking things. Yeah. First of all, the sculpt is really good. Like the lightning, the running pose, the Flash suit. My only comment, but the head's kind of not stuck on properly, so that's something. But one complaint I have is like, I don't think the colors are bright enough. Like, look at the box art and compare it to the actual thing. Like, I don't know, yeah. Wish the colors was brighter. And the paint job is a mess. So messy. Yeah, otherwise I really like it and ooh. Okay, next one we got Real Jay Garrick. Okay, again, good job with the sculpt, and Jay Garrick isn't just standing, it's like he's taking a step forward. And his suit, yeah, the sculpting is good, the details are nice. I'm not sure if the head is the same as fake Garrick, but yeah, really good. Paint job's still messy. Yeah, cute. Next we got Kid Flash. Honestly, I'd be a lot happier if this was Legends of Tomorrow, cause he was used a lot more on Legends. On like how many episodes of Legends? Yeah, that number. Than the 2.5 seasons that he was on the Flash. Cause this guy was so criminally underused. I was so happy that he moved to Legends and had finally had something to do. But unfortunately, yeah, it's unboxed. I mean, the sculpt is similar to the Flash one. So whatever I said there also applies here. The neck's kinda weird though. I think it's too short. I mean, because if you look closer at Flash versus Kid Flash, like Flash is like running like this, and then Kid Flash is like running like this. Anyway, still love it. Still cute. One of the best looking pops this year. Did I mention the paint job? Yeah, it's a mess. And last but not the least, Vibe. Wow. You know, I take back what I said about the Flash. Vibe is Vibe has a better sculpt. Yeah. His jacket, all the details in the jacket, the shoes, his gloves, the goggles. The goggles look kind of weird though. I think it's the metallic blue coloring. Like maybe if they just use the regular blue, do that look as weird. You know, something's off about the goggles. I think there's too much detail. You know, one thing I'm wondering why they didn't give his like vibing powers, like this Thanos, because like the yellow wavy thing could be used as, you know, vibes, vibey thing. Yeah, that's a very big missed opportunity there, Funko. But yeah, overall, it's really good. I love it. I'm gonna find a way to display these because my shelves are full and I'm asking for more. So, thank you for watching. See you next month.